Hey, it's Kenneth Dolan. A couple thoughts about photography workshops. Most workshops simply teach you how to copy the style of your instructor. You end up shooting just like they do. Your shots will look like theirs, same lighting, same composition. And so you become an imitator, not an innovator. You become kind of a copycat of their style. And that's not a path to ascension. You have to have your own style, your own voice, your own visual identity. And also, even if you can learn to copy their style, you're not going to learn to copy their personality. And so much of portrait photographer is how you interact with the person you're photographing. And you can't copy somebody else's interaction. So I think they're very dangerous potentially if you're going to learn to simply imitate and then try to do like a copy of that instructor's personality as well. You're doomed. Find your own style, find your own visual identity, find your own voice, and find your own pathway to interacting with your clients to get the best out of them. And I just wanted to share that because I see so many people doing workshops and all they do is look like 5,000 other photographers that have taken the same workshop. Innovate, don't imitate. And I hope that helps.